Have you ever wondered why, despite knowing exactly what you need to do to get ahead, you still find yourself stuck in the same cycle of empty bank accounts and late-night financial anxiety? It is one of the most frustrating feelings in the world. You see the success stories online, you hear the podcasts about compound interest, and you tell yourself that this month will be different. But then, Friday hits, the direct deposit lands, and suddenly that discipline you promised yourself vanishes into thin air. It is not because you are bad with math or because you don't work hard enough. The truth is much more uncomfortable. Most people in their 20s fail to build wealth because they are fighting a psychological war against their own biology and a society designed to keep them broke. Today, we are going to look at the invisible scripts running your life and show you exactly how to rewrite them before you wake up at 40 wondering where all the time and money went. Think about our friend Alex. Alex is a stick figure who represents almost every 20-something trying to make it today. Alex just got a promotion and a $500 monthly raise. He is ecstatic. He tells himself he's going to save all of it. But then he sees a new smartphone ad. Then he notices his car looks a little beat up compared to his coworkers. Within 3 months, Alex has a new phone plan and a higher car payment. His income went up, but his bank account stayed exactly the same. This is called lifestyle creep, and it is the silent killer of dreams. Alex feels like he is moving forward because he has nicer things, but in reality, he is just running faster on a treadmill that is bolted to the floor. He is trading his future freedom for a temporary hit of dopamine, and he doesn't even realize the trade he is making. The reason Alex struggles isn't a lack of willpower. It is something psychologists call present bias. Your brain is a survival machine, not a wealth-building machine. Evolutionarily, it made sense to consume everything you had today because tomorrow wasn't guaranteed. When you think about your future self, 10 or 20 years from now, your brain actually processes that person as a complete stranger. When you decide to spend $100 on a night out instead of investing it, your brain doesn't feel like it is stealing from you. It feels like it is giving a gift to the present version of you, while taking away from a person you don't even know. You are effectively sabotaging a stranger to satisfy a craving right now. This is why saving for the future feels so boring and painful. It feels like losing. If you try to keep up with them, you aren't just losing money. You are losing your most valuable asset, time. In your 20s, time is the only leverage you have that a billionaire cannot buy back. Every dollar you spend today to impress people you don't even like is a brick you are removing from the foundation of your future freedom. You are choosing to look rich now instead of being wealthy later. To break this cycle, you have to stop being a consumer and start being an owner. The first step is to automate your survival. Don't wait until the end of the month to see what is left over, because the answer will always be zero. You have to pay your future self first, even if it is only $50. Set up an automatic transfer the same day your paycheck hits. If you never see the money, you won't miss it. Second, you must master the 48-hour rule. If you feel a need to buy something non-essential, wait 2 full days. Usually, the emotional fog clears, the dopamine wears off, and you realize you didn't actually want the item. You just wanted the feeling of buying it. Third, you have to redefine what success looks like. True wealth isn't the car you drive or the brand on your shirt. Real wealth is the ability to wake up and say no to a job you hate or a situation that drains you. Money is just a tool, but if you don't learn how to use it, it will eventually use you. You are currently in the most important financial decade of your life. The habits you build today will determine whether you spend your 40s building a legacy or just trying to survive until the next Friday. You have the power to change the trajectory of your entire life right now, but it requires you to be honest about why you spend and who you are trying to impress. You can either have the shiny objects today, or you can have the entire world tomorrow. The choice is yours. But remember, the The clock is ticking, and your future self is waiting to see if you will finally decide to meet them halfway. Stop building someone else's empire and start building your own. Now the real truth even. Alex learned all 3 rules today, but here's the uncomfortable truth. Even after watching this, 90% of people will be back to emotional spending by next week. And it's not because they're weak. It's not because they don't earn enough. The real reason goes deeper than any rule can fix. It was wired into you long before you ever earned your first paycheck. And if you really want to know why Alex, despite knowing everything, still finds himself stuck, that answer is waiting in the next video. 1 click, that's all it takes. Don't let your brain talk you out of it, and you miss the golden chance to know the real reason. And subscribe for more money psychological video.